Hidden in the spiritual heart of Tamil Nadu lies a temple that defies the boundaries of time, form, and tradition. Here, in a sanctum filled with divine energy, the goddess is worshipped not just as the eternal mother, but also as an infant, all in one form. Welcome to the sacred abode of Akhilandeswari at Thiruvanaikaval, where the Devi transcends age itself. The Akhilandeswari Temple, also known as Jambukeswarar Temple, is located in Thiruvanaikaval, near Tiruchirappalli. Built over 1,800 years ago by the Chola dynasty, this temple is one of the Pancha Bhuta Sthalams, representing the element of water. While Lord Shiva is worshipped here as Jambukeswarar, enshrined under a constantly moist lingam, it is goddess Akhilandeswari who captures the deepest spiritual imagination. Akhilandeswari, the name itself means ruler of the universe. But what makes this form of the Devi so unique is the coexistence of opposites. She is worshipped as both an infant child and the Divine Mother, in the same idol. This duality represents the eternal cycle of birth, growth, nurturing, and wisdom. The face of the goddess is youthful, delicate, innocent, childlike. Yet the posture and adornment reflect maturity, strength, and maternal grace. This union of child and mother symbolizes that divine Shakti is beyond age, form, or time. The dual form of Akhilandeswari is deeply symbolic. As a child, she embodies innocence, potential, and purity. As a mother, she represents creation, nourishment, and protection. The message is profound. The divine resides in every stage of life. This concept is unique, even among India's thousands of temples. Here, age is transcended, showing that the goddess is not bound by time. She creates time, and yet remains unchanged by it. The fierce energy of Akhilandeswari was once so intense that even the priests feared her power. It is said that the great philosopher Adi Shankaracharya installed Sri Chakra in front of her idol to balance her energy, making it accessible to devotees without diminishing her divine force. To this day, that Sri Chakra continues to calm and direct the Devi's energy, allowing all to approach her with devotion and peace. Every day, thousands of devotees come to seek the blessings of this eternal mother-child. During Navaratri, the temple comes alive with music, lights, and deep spiritual celebrations of the divine feminine. It is here that the seeker realizes the Deva is not far away. She is the child within us and the mother guiding us every step of the way. In the form of Akhilandeswari, we see a truth so simple, yet so profound. That divinity is not bound by form, by age, or even by time. She is the universe itself, and within her, we find both the beginning and the end. Om Akhilandeswari Nama. If you enjoyed learning about this unique temple, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow seekers of the divine. Let us keep the sacred stories of India alive, one temple at a time.